in my SAP S4 HANA training. Please hit like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We'll review a sign chart of depreciation to company code. We'll go to SPRO or SIMG, go through your command field and type SIMG, hit enter. And from SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, you will go to Financial Accounting node. From Financial Accounting node, you will go to Asset Accounting node. And from Asset Accounting node, you will go to Organizational Structures node. And from Organizational Structures node, you will be going to Assign Chart of Depreciation to Company Code. Execute this. OK. After waiting, click Position and type in your company code. Mine is TUK2. Hit Enter. And as you can see, a chart of depreciation is not yet assigned. Let's put in our chart of depreciation. Mine is ZAB2. That's B2. And hit enter. Okay. Chart of depreciation TUK2. And click save. And I have two errors. Parallel currency area. Type 30 missing in 51 channel in CAP2 and CAP2 ledger P1 defined in company code TUK2 is not active. Let's fix this error. This one, we will fix it in current parallel currency, and this one, BA1 ledger is not mine. So this is a usual error in a test environment wherein there's a lot of users, and I'll explain why later. So first, let's go back to specify parallel currencies. Just we have just reviewed, and to open a new GUI window, you can click this icon, this small icon here. So click this icon, and you will have a new GUI in the drop-down menu item. Click this one to have a new GUI instance, and we'll go again to SPRO or SIMG. So click enter, and we will go to specify parallel currencies. So in SAP Customizing Implementation Guide, we'll go to Financial Accounting node, and from Financial Accounting node, we'll go also to Asset Accounting node, and from Asset Accounting node, we'll go to General Valuation node, and from General Valuation node, we'll go to Currencies. Okay, in Currencies, you have specify the use of parallel currencies. Execute this application, and then you need to type in your chart of accounts. My chart of accounts is ZAB2. I have it here. So hit enter or click. So it says 51, area 51, and as you can see, it's a zero. Validation adjustment is zero. We can put one here, but it's grayed out, and I can't also put the currency 50. Is 30, currency 30. As you can see, it needs currency 30 in 51 in channel 51, and it's grayed out. So how can we fix this one? So what I did try is to double click it and or go to or use this one, this highlight the channel, and then click this details. It's the same, or double clicking. So we can change the area post in real time. So we can use area does not post. This is a test, so we can use this one. Or area post depreciation only. Let's try first number 3, area post depreciation only, and then hit enter, and then save it. Specify parallel currencies is my uh, customizing request, so that's okay. Click check, and let's go back and let's see if we can change the details now. It's highlighted so I can see, so I can't change it still. So let's double click again. If we change it to area does not post, Let's save it. And now it's open. So we can change, although it does not post, so why change the currency valuation? We'll just put in the 30 as it required. Anyways, it does not post. And let's adopt the value 1 and then save it. Error 30 is already in the top because, let me show you. Okay, let me just put it back here to blank. Okay, yes, okay. So let me save it. You cannot transfer. Yes, okay. So if I go back, and you can see that error currency is when I put 1, it adopts the preceding currency valuation. So the 30 has been adopted here. So it's either we can put 0 again to put 30, or this is okay, but did not allow us to save. Let's just put ID APC. Let's try to save it. Okay, the data was saved. So this was not this checkbox ID APC was not checked. So we can see it's also here. So we could have checked this one and save it. Okay. So let's check if this error has been removed. So let me just put this away, minimize it, and then check, and then save it again. And there we go. We only have one error, one more error. It's that ledger B1, which is not my ledger, and it's assigned to my company code TUK2. It's not activated. Of course, it's not activated because it's not mine. So let's fix this. Then let's open a new window using this icon from the title bar. You have this small icon, and there's a new Groovy window drop down. And from the drop down menu, click it. So we'll have a new instance. And again, let's go back to SIMG or SVRO, hit enter. And from it's much quicker if we go to directly to uh, fin fin finc finc ledger. Okay, check to confirm. Click the confirm button. The check. Let's wait. Okay, after waiting, we have consistency check menu and window, and then let's just ignore it since these are all warning warning signs. And then let's go to the error. It's ledger B1. That's not mine. So let's go to position ledger B1. So whenever we create a new ledger, a non-standard ledger, it will it will use all the existing company code. So the person who created this one did not delete all the company codes other than his company code. So you will have an error. So to be nice when you create a ledger or a customized ledger, you must delete all the companies. So let's highlight this and click on the company code settings. As you can see, all of the companies will be shown here, all available companies. So the one who created B1 has annoyed all the users. Okay, let's wait. Okay, another consistent check display message has been opened. Let's just ignore it by clicking check. As you can see, all the available company codes were copied for B1 Ledger. So I have a number of companies here. So let me just remove at least four. Click position. I won't be removing all because I will be removing also his company code. So I'll just be removing mine, and all the other users will be removing their company codes also. So I have TUK1 here. Yes. And I have also TUK2. 5 is not mine. So let's remove first these two. So I've clicked this icon to remove the two company code. Let's wait. Okay. Two entries were deleted. So let TUS1 and TUS2 is also mine. So I have highlighted this two, and let me delete it by clicking this delete button or delete icon. Let's wait. Okay, number of deleted items too. Let's remove some of my T codes, the company codes. I have click position. That's okay. Another entry is window has been opened. My company code is CNT CN2 and 3CN1. Is there 3CN1? Let's scroll up. Oops. Let's wait. Yes, TCN1 and TCN2 is mine. So let's remove this from the list. Let's click the delete button and let's wait. Okay, number of entries deleted two. Let's complete it and let me delete two more company codes, two more series of company codes. I have clicked position button from below. So let's wait. Okay, another entry window has opened and my company code is TDN2. No, no. So, TDE. Let's click position again. Let's wait. TDE is already here. TDE1 and TDE2 is mine. So let's delete this two company codes. Let's wait. Wait. Number of entries deleted two. Let's click again the position button and wait for the window. Okay, another entry window is already popped up, and let's put in TPH2. I think this is just one TPH2. Let's highlight it. I have scrolled up and it's reading. Uh, Let's wait. Okay, it's just TPH2. I don't have TPH1. So let's delete this company code. Let's wait. Okay, one entry has been deleted. So let's click save. That's all of my company codes in ledger B1. So remember, when you create an extension ledger, remove, delete all the company codes that are not yours, and put in back your company if you have accidentally deleted your company code. Okay, so then let's save this. Let's create a new customizing request. Let's wait for it. Okay, consistency check window has appeared. These are all warning signs, so we can skip this all warnings by clicking enter or the continue checkbox, the continue icon. So let's create a new request. So click this button, create new request, and let's put in mm, uh, delete delete company code in new extension ledger for TUK2. Okay, and then save save it. Click save and click continue. Let's wait. And data was saved. I think that's fine already. Let's check our error if it has been got removed or already gone. So let's check this to continue. And then let's save it again. And there's another separate ledger, which is N2. So what I'm going to do is just remove the UK2 since it takes up a lot of time. So let me uh, quickly go back to this one. So we're already here. Luckily, we did not close it. And we just need to change the ledger. Double click the ledger folder. Let's wait for it. Okay, let's find our, the ledger that has an error. Okay, accidentally click that one. And it's N2. So let's go to N2, click position, and then type in N2. So it will be quick. We'll just remove one T code, company code. So click the company code settings. Remember, N2 should be highlighted. No, this is mine. So why? Ledger N2 defined company code not active in ZAB2. So let's activate this one. So let's check first uh, chart of depreciation. Let's see. Let's say T code AO55. Chart of depreciation. My chart of depreciation is ZAB2. Click position ZAB2. Okay, this is mine. So let's double check. Double click. It's there. Okay, it's ZBA2. And let's check OADB slash and type in OADB. And my chart of depreciation is ZBA2. And I have not used any target group for N1 is or OL. I think it creates an error. So let me check. Let's try to create this one. Uh, let's create new. Oh, there's no this table. So let's just copy from 50. Let's just copy this 32. Copy. And instead of 32, let's create 30. Let's create 30. And our accounting principle is GAGB. GAGB. This one, UK GAAP. So N2 was chosen after changing the accounting principle. Let's change the description to consolidated. Okay. And also the short description. Let's change it. We'll be okay with area does not post here. So let's click enter and let's check if it's already here. Yes, it's already here. It's 30. and target N2. So let's save it. So we have another error. So I think we'll just have to remove it first. So we can just continue for assigning the chart of accounts to the precision chart of accounts to our company code. Okay. So let me revert back this. So we hit another error. I'll be reviewing that. So let me remove this first. Okay, and then save it. Let me use an older request. So specify transfer depreciation. I think it's here. This one. So so the data was saved, and what we'll do is in the crcy, which let's remove it first. I'll be later on reviewing that error. So let's remove that first in our ledger. Here it is. Click, click this icon, remove, delete. It's okay. Okay. Hit check. Okay. So let's save it. Let's go first to the ledgers. So you won't have an error. Okay, ledger you cannot assign. Okay. That's just a warning. And then save it. Let's wait. Okay, consistency check window has appeared. Let's ignore all the warnings and click check. Let's wait. Okay, that was saved. So let's check again our error. Let's close this window and also this window and this one. Let's check continue. Click the checkbox or check button. And again, let's try to assign the chart of depreciation ZAB2 to company code TUK2. Let's save it. And are no errors right now. So let's create a new request. Assign chart of depreciation company code. We'll try to review the error and try to assign the other GL, the extended ledger, extension ledger, and try to put it in our company code. So for the meantime, we'll be using just 0L for our testing. Okay, click check. And we have assigned our chart of depreciation. That's it. Thank you.